Forgotten username recovery failed on Tinkoff Investments Fix. If your attempt to recover a forgotten username on Tinkoff Investments keeps failing, don't panic. The reason is usually simpler than it seems. Most users assume the issue is with the app, but it's actually tied to how Tinkoff manages its accounts. You won't believe how often people mix up their Tinkoff Bank and Tinkoff Investments credentials, and that's what causes the recovery to fail. Here's what you should do. First, understand that your Tinkoff Investments account is linked directly to your Tinkoff ecosystem profile. That means your username and login credentials are the same across all Tinkoff services. If your username recovery fails, try signing in using your phone number instead of an email or username. This method almost always works. If you still can't recover your username, open the Tinkoff Investments app and tap Help or Can't log in. You'll be prompted to verify your identity using your registered phone number. Once verified, the system will send your username or a link to reset your login credentials. Sometimes the issue occurs because your account region or service version don't match. For example, users with international profiles or joint accounts may need to recover their details through the main Tinkoff Bank website, not the Investments app. Another overlooked cause is outdated contact info. If you've changed your phone number or email recently, Tinkoff's security system may block recovery attempts for safety reasons. In that case, contact Tinkoff support directly through the in-app chat or hotline. I'll verify your identity and restore your access manually. To avoid this in the future, always keep your contact information updated and enable two-step verification. So if your forgotten username recovery failed on Tinkoff Investments, don't worry. Just use your phone number, confirm your identity, or reach out to Tinkoff support. Within minutes, you regain access to your portfolio and get back to trading confidently.